Hi, it's Carrie Scroggins from KDS Insurance Services. How are you doing this fine Monday? It is springtime, and springtime always signals for me change. And so, wanted to just pop in today and talk to you a little bit about what's going on in the industry. I know we are all frustrated. I know we are all sick and tired of rate increases. And unfortunately, in our industry is definitely influenced by what's going on in the economy. And as you know, right now we are in the worst economy in over 42 years. And that is very disappointing. You know, we all had hoped that 2022 was going to be a better year. And I do feel that we've had some changes post-COVID that are positive changes, some, updates to our technology, which makes your servicing of your policies easier. Everything can be done now electronically, which is fantastic. It is easier for you, much more convenient for you. It's easier for me because we can do everything via email, even via cell phones, and of course via fax. And so that's been a positive change from our COVID situation. But unfortunately, due to our economy, we are now facing probably the worst in my career. Have I seen such drastic changes in our premium? And this is changes in premium on all policies, not just your home or your auto, but across the board on commercial policies, life insurance policies. Everything has gone up. And I know that's hard for you to hear. It's not an excuse, believe me, because I'm a consumer too, and I am just as frustrated that my premiums continue to go up. I did just want to remind you, though, that we have the opportunity, because I'm an independent agent, to shop your policies whenever you'd like. So if you get a renewal that you're not happy with, or you're struggling with customer service with your carrier and you're not happy with that, we can shop your rates. Don't forget that. All I need to know from you is that you want me to shop those rates. And then we will go to as many carriers as offers what we're looking for, and we'll shop multiple carriers. And in doing that, what happens is it gives me the opportunity to look at multiple carriers to check that we have the same coverages and that they have better pricing for you. Doesn't cost you anything to do that, and we can certainly do that for you. That's the whole reason I'm an independent agent, is I don't want you to ever feel that you don't have choices. And all we can do is do what we do as citizens and consumers. We have to put pressure on our leaders to take control of the situation and get our economy and our inflation under control. Until we do that, this is going to be an ongoing struggle. There are some carriers out there that are really responding, and the rates are dropping. And some of those carriers, depending on, of course, the individual circumstances. But I did just want to pop in today and let you know that there is something you can do about it. And that's just let me know. Send me a message, leave me a voicemail, and say you'd like me to reshop your policies, and I will certainly do that. That process is a few days, so don't wait until the week that your policy is expiring, please, because it does take me quite some time, 2 to 3 hours, to get through all of the carriers for you, to check to make sure that they offer the same coverages and the same discounts, and then of course to compare the prices and get all your information in. So it is a long process, but it is what I do for you. So if you have a renewal that's coming up within the next month and you're not happy with your renewal, please contact me now. So it gives me plenty of opportunity and time to reshop your rates. I also wanted to just give you some food for thought. If you are a commercial customer, same thing goes for you. We can always shop your rate. You can always change your policies too, with one exception. If you have a policy that has an earned premium amount, meaning that the carrier is going to collect X dollars regardless if you cancel that policy. So it's important, if we want to shop your rates, to check your policy to ensure that if there is an earned premium, what that number is, and then we can move forward past that point. I also wanted to just let you know the servicing part of the commercial policy is a little delayed right now. There's some new changes happening in new systems and software. So if you have an additional insured request, you need a certificate or some sort of documentation, please allow me 2 to 3 days to do that. I am the only one in the office still because I'm searching to find the best fit for the agency, and I'm being very deliberate on that. I want to find a person and then keep that person. I don't want to just have to find somebody and then it not work out, because it's just too hard for you, too hard for me, and it's just a lot of wasted time. So if you have service requests on your business account, please make sure that you give me 2 to 3 days to get those turned around for you, so I can make sure that we get them issued correctly. And that's really it for today. Happy spring. I hope you're having a wonderful year. I hope you are well. And please don't ever hesitate to reach out to me. The phone numbers have not changed, 817-374-4477 or 832-391-8271. Website still working. You can also reach me at my cell phone at any time, 817-694-0053. Please remember though, I cannot accept any changes to your insurance policies via voicemail. I either need to speak to you or I need to have an email documenting the changes that you are looking for. This is a compliance requirement and I cannot accept voicemail messages. Again, I do need to either speak to you or I need to get direct communication from you. So I hope you have a wonderful spring, everybody. Please be prepared for spring storms. If you need trees trimmed, now's the time to do it before we get into the crazy weather. And I look forward to hearing from you. God bless, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.